Effortless fitness tips. I used to think joint pain was a life sentence to the couch. We're told to stay active, but for millions of us, that very activity is what causes the pain. It feels like a trap. But what if I told you the old no pain, no gain mantra is not only wrong, but actually harmful? The real secret isn't to stop moving, it's to move smarter. It's called low-impact exercise, and it works with your body, not against it. It's about focusing on smooth motions that lubricate your joints and ease stiffness, finally setting you free from the fear of pain. The journey back to an active life doesn't start with a marathon. It starts with walking. A daily walk gently strengthens the muscles that support your joints, all without the harsh impact of running. Start with 5 minutes. The goal isn't speed, it's consistency. If walking is nagging your knees, take it to the pool. Exercising in water is like moving in a world without gravity. The natural buoyancy supports you, taking immense pressure off your joints. Water aerobics provides powerful resistance while you feel comfortably weightless. And for days when standing is a non-starter, chair exercises are your secret weapon, a smart, targeted way to build strength and improve circulation without putting any strain on your hips or knees. Cardio is vital, but the true secret to protecting your joints is strength. Strong muscles act like a natural, living brace for your skeleton, absorbing stress so your joints don't have to. This doesn't mean heavy lifting. You can use light resistance bands, or even just your own body weight. For example, the sit to stand, simply rising from a chair without using your hands, strengthens all the key muscles you need for daily life. Also, consider mind-body practices like Tai Chi, often called meditation in motion. Its slow, flowing movements are exceptional for improving your balance and flexibility, which is crucial for long-term joint health. Getting my freedom back didn't require a miracle cure. It required a shift in mindset, letting go of the idea that exercise had to be a punishment. By embracing gentle, consistent movement, you can do more than just manage pain. You can build the strength you need to live your life with less stiffness and more freedom. You have the power to live the active, vibrant life you absolutely deserve.